Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra for those of you who are new here, and if you're a no subscriber, thank you and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys this TikTok video that I found where she was making banana pudding. Not the original way where you just take a little box of banana pudding and some milk and make banana pudding. Nope. This is where she added a couple different ingredients to this banana pudding, and I bet you you're gonna want to try it. So I tried it before, filmed it, it failed because I didn't have the clips. So I waited on another day to get this video out for you guys by just simply redoing it. Let me show you guys the ingredients that you're going to need. Alright, so I have my mixing bowl because I am simply just going to be putting everything into here and giving it a good mix. I have some 2% milk. You can use any percent milk that you would like. I am just simply using 2% because that is what I buy. You're going to need 1 bar of cream cheese, just a regular one. I am going to be very honest with you guys. You can use the non-dairy Ready Whip that's made with almond milk. You guys can also do Cool Whip, or you could also do some regular like Cool Whip or another flavor of Ready Whip. It's totally up to you. I just like that almond flavor. You'll also need some vanilla. So I have the clear vanilla here. Like I said before, you can use any any color. Like, vanilla comes in clear, but it also comes in brown. You'll also need 2 boxes, not just 1, but 2 of the banana pudding pie filling. But so just get 2 of these. These were only $1 each, so not much. And then I have a total of 4 bananas. Those bananas are going to get chopped up and layered into the pudding. And then I have 2 bags of the Chessman cookies. I don't use the vanilla wafers. I like to use the Chessman. So y'all will see how I use these. So a lot of cookies in here. Anyways, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is get ready to mix up my pudding. Of course, because I'm using 2 boxes, I have to double the recipe. So I have to add 2 more cups of cold milk, and then I'm going to take it over to my mixer and mix it up. Okay, so really quickly, the recipe calls for you to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Y'all, that's just the one thing I don't pick up from the store, like talking about. So instead, you can add in some heavy whipping cream. But with that, you're gonna just need to add a little bit of sugar. Alright, next I'm adding in that bar of cream cheese. Once I was able to get the cream cheese out of the pack, I'm then going in with that Ready Whip. You guys could use Cool Whip or any other type of whipped topping that you would like. I'm just using the one with the almond milk because it is a dairy-free, which is much better. I do want to give this a taste test once I whip everything up. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with y'all because I'm gonna taste test it. Last time I did it, I still had chunks of cream cheese, and you could taste that when we were actually eating the pudding, and it was still good. You didn't even know it was cream cheese, but you knew that it was some type of cheese or cream, you know, something like that in there. So I'm gonna taste test to see if it's still lumpy like last time. Nope. It's actually bomb. So now that I added that vanilla in, I think it's ready, and it's time to mix in the banana pudding mix along with that mix. As you guys see, the color of the heavy whipping cream, the sugar, and the whipping cream, as far as the whipped topping, all mixed together is white. Once I added in that banana pudding that I had set to the side was added, it made it a light yellow. I actually use Chessman butter cookies as my go-to to put in banana pudding, because I can taste the butter in the Chessman cookies and they actually are amazing. I ended up getting 2 bags because of the simple fact that when I used one, it wasn't enough to do everything I needed to do in the last video. In the last video, I tried to share with you guys using just 1 pack of the Chessman cookies, and it was not enough to make some crushed up like this, and then it wasn't enough to put on top. So I knew better this time than to get 2 bags of those cookies. They are absolutely amazing. So what I'm gonna do is alternate between the banana pudding mix that has already been mixed up here, and I made sure that there were no cream cheese plumps inside of this. I'm gonna go ahead and just start layering it little by little by putting some on the bottom, some of that crushed up graham cracker, or as I should say, crushed up Chessman cookie on top, adding another layer, and then adding more crushed up Chessman cookies. And I like to make sure like it's all mixed up together. Regardless if it gets mixed up, it's still gonna get ate, it's still gonna be good, it's still gonna be bomb. So I'm adding more on top of that, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the mixture on top. This is what yours should look like if you choose to do it crushed up in the middle. I prefer it this way, but this was also the way that I seen it on the TikTok. So just layer it, and then get ready to put those sliced up bananas on top. And then, you know, save some cookies to the side, because you're gonna wanna garnish the top with those cookies. I'm just slicing up the bananas, getting ready to toss those on top. I'm literally making a whole layer of bananas. So you'll probably need about 4 to 5 bananas. And this is what it's gonna look like if you put a lot. I then use the rest of that crushed up Chessman butter cookie to sprinkle it on top of here. Next, I'm gonna go in with the rest, cover that up, and then add those Chessman cookies on top. Y'all, I cannot tell you enough how good this is. If you make this, by all means, thank me later. This is one of the best ways to make banana pudding, especially when you don't just take a box of banana pudding and milk and make banana pudding anymore. Nowadays, you got to put your foot in it, and this is the way that I could put my foot in this banana pudding right here. Alright, so a couple hours later, I was able to put my banana pudding into the refrigerator. Give it some time to kind of all mix together, and now I'm ready to eat it. So let's go. Y'all, this ain't no just throw that box and milk together. This is a banana pudding. Yeah. Put your foot in it style. So, I hope you guys try it. The cookies on top are going to be semi-still hard, but the one thing is, it's easy to break because it's been on top of the banana pudding. There are no pieces of cream cheese anywhere in sight like last time. It's just a banana pudding mix, the cookies mixed up, and all of the other ingredients mixed in.